So guys, today's topic question is going to be, are tiny house on wheels as an ADU allowed in my city? Well, I'm going to be showing you all the cities that here in California that allow tiny house on wheels as an ADU. We definitely have a lot of good information to show you. I'm going to break down all the cities. Each cities have their own zoning codes, their own ordinance, so you must follow. So if it's in between your city lines or your county lines, it could be different, but we can definitely break down this good information that I have for you guys. Yes, if you're looking for a tiny house on wheels in your backyard as an ADU, I can definitely give you that great information right now. So guys, so here's going to be the statewide of California where they allow tiny house on wheels as an ADU. We're going to start off with Fresno. They're very tiny house friendly. So if you're local around that area, Fresno City, I'm pretty sure Fresno County would be okay with it as well, since it's very, very close. We also got Humboldt County. They like the movable idea of movable tiny house on as an ADU. We got Los Angeles City. They are actually previous as well. They like that, tiny house on wheels as an ADU. Oakland City, San Diego City, San Jose, San Luis Obispo, Santa Clara County, and also statewide as well if you're going to do a permanent ADU as well. Each of these legislations have their own zoning codes, and if you click into their link, it'll direct into the checklist that you must follow if you're in that area. It's going to be the Tiny Home Industry Association, so if you want to do your due diligence, come visit this site. And if you cannot find your city here, feel free to let us know. We can also contact your city or county just to get the the zoning codes of having a tiny house on wheels as an ADU, RV certified, or as a permanent foundation ADU in your property. So we can definitely do that for you guys. So that's good information to know. Therefore, you're fully aware, and you can check it out yourselves whenever you're trying to do due diligence when it comes to owning a tiny house in your property. Check that out, guys. I would also like to inform you guys that we have the best deal ever. As I've done my research before, typically ADUs cost around $150,000 to $200,000, and that's like half the price of a house nowadays. But what we offer is a tiny house on wheels and ADU for $49,000 starting, an additional $29,000 to submit the plans, get them approved, run all your utilities, and you save yourself over $100,000 or around $100,000, against other builders. So for me personally, and people that have, actually put an ADU as a tiny house on wheels as an ADU in your property, settle the best price and the best investment they have ever done to their property. So we highly encourage anybody that's interested in developing their property with a tiny house on wheels or as an ADU. We can do both of them as well. So let us know if you have any questions, or if you're in a city where you do not see, the legislations. You can let us know. We can contact them and get this for you, get this running for you. Therefore, you can have a tiny house in your property legally and invest in that and have passive income, have that quarters for your family in-laws. And yeah, it's going to be a win-win. We want to make sure we're everybody's winning here in Pacifica Tiny Homes. And like I mentioned, quality work, affordable prices, and great customer service and great work. I mean, it doesn't get better than that, guys. I believe this is the best deal we can ever give you. And you're not going to find this nowhere else. I guarantee it. But yeah, this is the best deal here in Pacifica Vibes. That's what we highly encourage to come check out our shop to see our homes. If you're interested in checking out our quality, feel free to set up a tour, and we'll be more than happy to give you some little cookouts and and encourage you to guys to come out and check out our homes. So yeah, this is gonna sum up the video. I know it's been a while since we posted Pacifica Vibes, but we're here now, and yeah, it's June already, man. It's been a hectic year. It's been so fast. You guys already know it's so quick. We're getting older and older. All right, guys. You guys take it easy. All right.